Hello and welcome to the virtual 2020 California HR Conference. From all of us here at PIRA, the Professionals in Human Resources Association, and our title sponsor, Montage Insurance Solutions, we are so glad you're here. There's a lot to do and see at VCAHR20, so this video will give you an overview of how to navigate the site and have the best experience possible. We have other videos that drill down into how-tos for specific activities and features in our virtual FAQ section, up here in the top right corner of your screen. So let's look at the homepage first. You'll find everything you need up here in the top navigation. Anytime you need to get back to this home screen, just click Home. Up next is the Schedule tab. From here, you can see the event agenda, your personal agenda, and a quick link to schedule a meeting with someone. Then we have the People tab. Here's where you can look for and connect with other attendees as well as VCAHR20 speakers. On the Conversations tab, you'll find your inbox where private one-to-one or specific group messages are read, composed, and sent, as well as a link to our public forums where everyone at the event can join in on a conversation. Then we have our Sponsors tab, where you can learn all about the service providers that help make VCAHR20 possible, plus all the prizes they're giving away to attendees. Speaking of prizes, here's the Leaderboard tab that shows which attendees have earned the most points in the VCAHR competition. You can earn points by attending sessions, requesting info at our expo, interacting with others, and a lot more. The attendee with the most points wins the VCAHR20 virtual crown and a bunch of prizes. Our social wall is where you can keep up with all the conversations about VCAHR20 in one place. Don't forget to tag your friends and use the hashtag #MyVCAHR20 when you mention us. And here's the Account tab, where you'll go to edit your profile, edit your organization, get support, or log out of the event site. This little bell is for notifications and will let you know when you have a new message, meeting request, or scheduled session coming up. Now let's look at the homepage. Right below our welcome message from PIRA and our title sponsor, you'll see 3 popular options for getting started. You can start by viewing the agenda to explore session topics, speakers, and see where you can earn credits. Then you can start networking to catch up with old friends and make new connections. Lastly, you should definitely connect with our sponsors to learn about everything they offer and the prizes that they're giving away. We did mention the prizes, right? Yeah, we did. Next, we have 2 featured items that you can add to your schedule to make sure you don't miss them. Then we added shortcuts to a selection of our speakers. Click on any of their headshots to go directly to their profiles. Here we have a quick view of your personal schedule so you can be ready for what's coming up next, and a quick link to see your full schedule. Rounding out the homepage is a list of our premier sponsors. Be sure to say hi to all of them. And last but not least, make sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And that about does it for the overview of the VCAHR20 event site. For more tutorials about how to make the most of your California HR conference experience, check out our virtual FAQ page.